Okay, today I've got my 3DR Solo. It's got no blades on it. I've got a GoPro in the gimbal. I've got it turned on. I've got an H1, a Zoom H1 here, recording in stereo, and it's recording in WAV format. I've got a little 7-inch WINBOOK here, a $60 WINBOOK I bought. To run Mission Planner, I'm running Mission Planner 1.3.32. And I think there's something wrong, but I'm not sure. But I know you guys are all experts, so you can tell me if something's going wrong here. What I'm going to do is run each motor up at 10% power for 5 seconds. And then I'm going to reposition the zoom to approximately the same place on each one, so you can just listen to the motor sound. And that's basically it. All right, here we go. We've already got it positioned to motor number 1, and away we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to reposition the zoom. Motor 2. 3, 2, 1. Reposition it over here to motor number 3. And reposition it over here to motor number 4. Hopefully the outside airplane isn't going to mess us up here. Okay. Hopefully you guys can tell me if you think something's wrong with one of my motors, more than one motor, everything's okay, I shouldn't worry about it. Tell me what you think there in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching.